Here with the Perfect Draft. I'm going to show you some features on it. So this is the temperature knob. You set this knob at 250 or wherever you want. The switch here is in automatic mode when it's up. When it's down is in the manual position. When you have it up in the automatic position, you plug in the sensor, temperature sensor. This goes all the way, and I've got it in the top of the smoker. You can actually sit it underneath and it'll work just fine. So right now, it's just getting started. We're about 165 degrees. I've got the stack wide open until we get to set point. Once we get to set point, we're gonna close this back. In fact, I'll do it now. Close that about 75% of the way. This enables the blower to do its job. When you have your stack closed and this blower is in automatic mode, it'll tend to want to put the fire out in your smoker, and then the blower will compensate with the airflow and get it back up to temperature. We'll check back.